I'm a big fan of my DJI Osmo Steadicam holder for my phones, but as you can see, the box is getting a little bit worse for wear. So when I found out about these bags, all these soft, rigid cases, I knew I had to check one out. So let's check this thing out. Nice solid case with a handle. It's going to be easy to find, easy to stow. Nice zipper all around. The zipper is on the one end, so it's going to be easy to remember which side is up. We've got a pocket up top here. Oh, I see. This is all kind of pluckable. So I'll just pull out this section here, which is for the Osmo. And then this section here must be for the holder. So let's go ahead and grab it out of the box here. Look at that, just like it's made for it. It's going to fit right in there. That's pretty handy. And then we can put the holder right there. And now when we need it, we've got it available. Just unfold it, turn it on, and it's good to go. Got the holder you put on your phone. It magnetizes on there. Very nice. And now I can fold it closed. Pull off that magnetized phone holder. It fits right into this foam case. With the case, look at that. Now instead of carrying around the cardboard box like I've been doing, I can carry around this nice soft case. I'd like to thank them for sending us this one to check out. This is certainly going to make travel with the Osmo much easier. Hope this helps.